Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to all the PhD aspirants as well as the pursuing candidates. Why? Because here one online short-term training program is going to be conducted by the National Institute of Technology on how to write the quality research papers and how to get the quality research proposals. Okay, based upon this one, the online short-term training is going to be happen, guys, on 6th to 10th July 2021. And the candidates who successfully finished this program, those candidates are going to get the e-certificate from the NIT also. Fine. So please utilize this opportunity and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are PhD aspirants as well as the pursuing candidates are there. Really, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this online short-term training program. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, the Unacademy is providing the complete course on paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude. Okay, so this course started on the 9th June onwards, guys. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is SVNIT, that is National Institute of Technology from Surat, guys. So this NIT is offering the online training program on how to write the research paper, okay, and the proposal. And it is a brochure from the National Institute of Technology, Surat. So you may check down under Institute Diamond Jubilee Celebrations, online short-term training program on writing quality research paper and the proposal. So organized by Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department, Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, Surat. And here the chief patron as well as the patron and the coordinator organizing committee. So Bhagirath as well as Sudhakar. So both these two candidates here, the contact numbers are also given. If you are having any queries, that means if you are interested, so all the PhD aspirants as well as pursuing candidates, okay, once participate in this program, guys, you will get the lot of points regarding the writing of research paper as well as publishing in the journals also. So whatever the queries you are having regarding this one, then you may contact these coordinators, guys. Here the mobile number is also given and the contact details are also provided here. So Dr. Urvashi Kaushal, Assistant Professor of English, Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department. So here the phone number as well as the mail ID is also provided. Okay, but you try to contact to this organizing committee, guys, if you are having any queries. And if your query is not resolved with these organizing committee members, then you may contact the Dr. Urvashi Kaushal. Okay, whatever the number as well as mail ID provided here. Fine. And coming to the about the program, so what exactly the program is about means writing and publishing papers help share our research with the global audience, and with UGC, AICTE and MHE expecting Indian researchers to publish in internationally acclaimed SCI indexed and Scopus index journals, writing quality research papers, theses and books have become all the more challenging. Okay, so how to publish your papers in the UGC recognized or else the AICTE recognized or else the SCI, Web of Science and Scopus index journals. Okay, regarding that one you will get very good idea from this training program, guys. So most research scholars who enroll in PhD course face difficult in writing paper that is precise, objective, accurate and fully referenced. Hence this program aims to address these problems faced by multidisciplinary researchers of India by inviting the most prolific writers and best teachers from IITs, NITs and EFLU to teach, train and share the special conventions of the effective writing. Fine. So it will be very much helpful to you guys. So please check out this program and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are doing the PhD or else who wants to do the PhD, guys. And coming to the resource persons, learn all about writing quality research papers from renowned experts who are also reviewers and editors of Scopus Index or the SCI journals. And all resource persons will be from IITs, NITs and the central universities. Next, who can attend? The faculty members of AICTE approved institutions, research scholars, PG scholars, school teachers, participants from government industry who are interested in research writing. Okay, so these are the candidates may approach, guys. And I think the candidates who are working under the UGC also, UGC recognized colleges also, I think you may apply, guys. Okay, not a problem. And coming to the registration details, here it is not a free training program, guys. Okay, students, PG, PhD or diploma 750 rupees, academician or scientist or researcher 1000 rupees, professionals 1500 rupees and foreign participants $20. Bank account details are given here, so you have to transfer to this account, and please mention STTP WQR in the description or remark during payment and attach payment proof while registering through Google form. And here the online registration link is provided, guys. I will show you this link at the end of this video. And the last date for registration is 30th June 2021, so still 15 days are there, so hurry up, guys. And a Google Meet link will be shared with the participants before beginning of the program, and the certificate of participation also mailed to the candidates who secured more than 70% of the attendance. That means here there is no quizzes and examinations and all will not be there. So the candidates who are having 70% above attendance is there, those candidates will get the participation certificate. Fine. And coming to the session details, you may check out here. Elements of research, digital tools for research, writing journal articles, elements of a research paper, developing your argument in research, language and vocabulary of research and editing your work, tools for referencing, role of research in a new knowledge creation, what is new research, routine of a researcher, and journal identification and submission guidelines, review preparation and reviewers' expectations and requirement of the research. Fine. These are the points are going to be highlighted or discussed in this online training program, guys, which will be very much helpful to you. And while coming to the registration form, okay, you may check out, guys, it is a registration form for online STTP on writing quality research papers, 6th to 10th July, SVNIT Surat. The last date is 30th June 2021, and you have to provide your email ID, name, designation, department, in which college you are working or studying, what is the address of your college or state, country, what is the email ID and phone number, okay, transaction slip, okay, how much amount you paid, the transaction proof must be attached, upload here, and what is the transaction ID or the reference number, okay, and then just click on the submit button, then your registration process will be finished, guys. Okay, so these are the steps to register for this online short-term training program on writing quality research paper and proposal organizing by the National Institute of Technology, Surat. Fine. So please share this video, and to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all, whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.